Now, still on COVID-19, there is skepticism among Jamaicans surrounding the taking of the vaccine to prevent them from contracting the coronavirus. Many with whom we spoke today said greater public education is needed about the virus and the vaccine. Kirk Wright has that story.
Vaccination against the coronavirus has started in some parts of the world, and Jamaica has already placed its order for its portion. But even with the reported thousands dying overseas and the more than 200 who have lost their lives to the virus locally, many Jamaicans still believe something is amiss. Oswald Comrie from Trenchtown is one of those persons.
No, I wouldn't say the coronavirus make people die in a sense of, more than before now. It's just that I see what happened is that ones have been paying mind to people who are dying at this time now more than before. And certain illness of what they have been revealing more than what usually reveal when a one died. You just hear one died and you don't hear nothing what the cause of it is all about. But since this COVID-19 coming now, it's like say everyone who have died now actually is COVID, they died by.
Mr. Comrie says he would not take the vaccine, and so too did Mr. Kenneth Bogle. They want much more information to make any kind of informed decision.
Well, who want to take it. But I know I not take it. And I now make a grandpit take it. And if I bring them around, I decide to take it and I can tell them don't take it. And if they want to take that for them choice.
Donit Dow and Lincoln Morrison are also skeptical, but they say they would get vaccinated only if it's tried and proven among our leaders.
I think Bill Gates should test on himself and his wife and children first. All the ministers should test on themselves first and their families first. Then I will take it.
Franklin Cousins was the lone wolf. He's the only person to whom we spoke who said he would readily take the vaccine.
Well, taking the vaccine, it will be much better for me as a high potential patient. And if many others like me, are potential wise like me, or other sickness can take it, it will be good for us.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.